government renders financial support and supports all boxers who participate to represent Uganda in various fields. Professional boxing has a sport and as a business for boxers. Socio-economic transformation has played a big role and a big part in our economy, and hence government consider it as a key driver in economic revolution of our country. And to some of you who do not know, when our guests come here, they don't come here for free. They already bring money. So I would like to thank the President of African Boxing Union for always supporting Ugandan economy by bringing these meetings here in Uganda. I was in the US recently with her, and we were in New York, we visited New York Giants, we went Buffalo Bills. In all this, we are trying to look at opportunities for sports, and specifically, boxing is, Mr. President and executive from African Boxing Union, is a priority sport in Uganda. We have our own challenges, which I want to say we will discuss when visitors are not there. But we have the man to us here to sort out our boxing problems. Because enough is enough. It's a total embarrassment for us. For the first time, I led the team to Olympics. We did not have a professional boxer or a boxer in Olympics. For the first time. And some of these things, these are all internal things. Let's first deal with the visitors. When the visitors leave, we'll sort out our own problems internally. For all of us here. And like the president did say, boxing is becoming dynamic. It's becoming tough. And we need to accept to move with the changing world. So I challenge you, all of us here, and let's thank those children of ours who are able to get medals during the just concluded Olympics in boxing as far as this continent is concerned. I say, they are the champions like John Bis Mugabe, Buze, Edwards, Justin Juko, Geoffrey Nyakana, Kasim, the Dream of Uma, and Michael Kiza, to mention but a few, and of course Segawa, who have made it and done a commendable job, and I think we need to clap for them. I'd like to encourage, that's why we have sorted out these problems, that we must accept to bring in bigger fights. Even by going to America, I'll meet some of the biggest promoters because I know there's a big fan base of boxing in Uganda. So bringing in a professional boxing fight, there's no problem. As of now, we can't fail to put even a fight in Inambole. If it is a big professional fight, we cannot fail.
Boxing has changed a lot, and the gap between amateur boxing and professional boxing is more and more wide. Updating the rules and the regulation of boxing is necessary and even important to protect the boxer, who must be the center of our concern and interest.
There was John Serenjoji, era ngade musanyufu olunaku olwaleero okubanga nze omu ku bannayuganda abafunye omukisa okulwanira ku fight eno ABU convention, era ngenda kubanwana omusipi gwa Africa Boxing Union. Bannayuganda mbasuubiza nti tukoze ekimala ne ttiimu yange, coach wange ntesitese ekimala okulaba nga fight eno tugijjayo. Tulina enjogera yaffe egamba nti keetonyeka gwake omusipi gusigala wano, era minisita agezezaako kyogera naye ng'olwedde ffe kennyini tukina mu ndowooza nti keetonyeka gwake omusipi gusigala wano, because struggle zibadde nnyingi. Ndowooza keekadde naffe tulabikeko nga Sulaiman Segawa tushiningeko mu nsi yonna, si mu ggwanga mwokka.
I want to thank the President of ABU Africa, Mr. Hussein Auchi, for the recognition and giving me the medal, gold medal ABU. This has motivated me more, and I want to thank him for appreciating me as the President of Uganda Professional Boxing Commission and Uganda at large. Good enough, I'm honored to have this convention in Uganda, and good enough, it is a course that we're learning. He has come with the issue of, he has talked a lot of words of wisdom, especially with the issue of time. It's very unfortunate, me being the President of the Boxing Commission and not attending any of those fights. Because I used to complain a lot about time, and our people seem not to understand the issue of time, and I'm very principled with the issue of time. How do you go for a fight? It's supposed to start by 9, 10, 11, and you end up by 4, 5 a.m. in the morning. So I couldn't stand that, and it became a cancer, something very normal for our promoters, and boxers got used to that. And good enough, he has come out clearly saying, if you have a contract, and it says 23rd, and it clocks midnight, meaning it's 24th, you can either sue or ask for money, extra money. So that is what I'm saying. We are going to insist on the issue of time. Promoters, yes, you need collection of money, but we shall accept, we shall go with whatever collection. We shall insist on getting sponsors than depending on gate collection.